हेलो जी, कैसे हो? आज ना मैं स्पेशली उन लोगों से बात करने के लिए आई हूँ जो हमेशा बोलते रहते हैं कि यार वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करना है, कल से जिम करेंगे, कल से रनिंग चले। हाँ ठीक है, कल से शुरू करते हैं। तो भाई आपको एक बात याद दिला दूँ, जिस कल की बात आप कल कर रहे थे ना, वो आज आ चुका है। और पता है क्या बोल रहा है? हेलो देयर, आ गया मैं। अब शुरू करें? और आप हो कि रेडी ही नहीं हो पा रहे हो। कितना टाइम लोगे भाई? जिस बॉडी पे दुनिया भर का बोझ लादना है आपने, उसके लिए आप 20 मिनट्स नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो। बहुत हो गया। अब चलो अभी फटाफट आ जाओ। कल नहीं, आज अभी इसी टाइम पे गेट ऑन योर योगा मैट्स। नहीं भी है तो कोई नहीं, ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, ऐसे ही आ जाओ और शुरू करें। ओके। Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Just J. I'm Jagriti Pandey. If you had been planning to do something for your body since long, then you are at the right place. और अगर आप जिम नहीं जा पा रहे हो और आप कंफ्यूज हो कि यार घर पे वर्कआउट कैसे स्टार्ट करें, वर्कआउट करें या योगा करें, so all you have to do is just watch this video and follow along. एंड फॉर द कन्फ्यूजन कि योगा करे या वर्कआउट करे, आई वुड से इफ यू आर डूइंग इट एट होम, तो ये जो हाइब्रिड बनता है ना योगा और वर्कआउट का, नथिंग कैन बीट इट. बिकॉज विद वर्कआउट you're training your body, you're building strength and all of that, and with yoga, along with building strength and doing good for your body, you're also training your mind, which is very very important. So yes, बाकी की बातें ना अब अगले वीडियो में. Without wasting your single second, let's quickly dive into the video.
Alright, start by making yourself comfortable on your mat. Try to sit as straight as you can. Do not bend your back or sit loosely. Your spine should be straight. Put your hands on your knees and your palm facing upwards. Now take 4 deep breaths. Now open your eyes. Let's do some activity to awaken your body. Put one of your hand on the floor and try stretching side by side. Do the same with the other side. Now, let's awaken your shoulders by thoroughly rotating it. Do 30 counts in your mind and rotate your shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you have to sit for long hours, this is a must. Rotate your head. This also relaxes your neck. Again, do 30 count in your minds and rotate in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Don't forget to take few long breaths and relax. Now, time for some hand movements which calls for wrist rotation. Make sure your hands are totally straight and in alignment with your shoulders. Again, do 30 count in your minds and rotate both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now, put your right hand behind your right shoulder and pull it by your left hand. For each side, do at least 20 count in your head. Now repeat the same with the other side and again do 20 counts. Now time for some leg stretchability. Stand wherever you are exercising. Take any one of your leg forward. Bend it and push it towards your body and try to make it in alignment with your chest. Make sure your other leg do not bend. Make it as straight as you can. Do 20 count in your heads. From here, take the same leg backward, hold your foot with both hands and stretch it. Now repeat the same with the other leg. First take it forward and then backward. Do 20 count in your head. Now this exercise works great both for your upper body and your lower body. Put the right amount of gap between your leg, your hands forward and your body pushing downwards. Bend as much as you can. Make sure you do not make any hump on your back. Back bend is extremely beneficial for the people who have to sit long hours. Put your hands on your waist and try to bend backward as much as you can. And then bend forward. Now let's spice our routine a bit. Put one of your leg forward and one backward. Make sure you feel like running and jumping at the same time, but just with the support of one leg. Now repeat the same with the other side. Time to strengthen our lower area. Put one leg forward and one backward. Now sit on your knees and then move your body a bit. Repeat the same with the other side. Now, time to do an exercise which engages our full body. It is a similar downward dog position but with a little twist. Every time you push your body forward, make sure you come on your toes. And when you push your body forward, your head should go away from your shoulders and your body. From here, continue in the same position by increasing the gap between your hand and your legs. One leg forward and then upward, forward and upward. While taking your legs up in the air, if you cannot stretch that much, it is totally fine. You can do as much as you can and do not put much pressure on your body. And now time for some forearm strength. Lie down on your forearm. Be on your toes. Push your body forward and backward. Some of you might not be able to do this because of the weak forearms, but that is totally fine. If you cannot push your body forward and backward, try to just hold in the same position. And now we are in our final segment and it's time for some plank. Begin in the plank position. Your face down with your forearms and toes on the floor. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders and your forearms should face forward. Try to relax your head and look at the floor. If you're bored looking at the floor, you can also look forward. If you are a beginner at plank, try to do 4 rounds of 30 seconds each or 2 rounds of 30 seconds each.
Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope without further procrastination, you get up from your bed and start doing things for your body and live a healthy life. Also share this video with your friends and family ताकि वो भी workout कर सकें and tip top रह सके. And also subscribe to my channel. I would see you in the next video. Till then, keep working. Have a happy, healthy life.